In part 1, I took a ferry to the beautiful volcanic island of Ischia. I'm staying at an amazing luxury hotel on this island. Set on the 7 hectares along the Gulf of Naples, this upscaled seasonal hotel, housed in a former 16th century watchtower, is Hotel Mezzatorre. This 5-star hotel is built around spectacular scenery, offering every luxury and comfort that guests deserve, which we'll explore in this video. After arriving at Hotel Mezzatorre, the first thing I did was settle into my suite. I'm actually staying in the hotel's original watchtower, where watchmen once kept an eye on those approaching the island. This definitely calls for a tour of the watchtower. The watchtower dates back to the 16th century and was originally built to defend the Italian coastline from pirate raids. It has since been renovated and now houses several rooms and suites, a lounge, and a wellness center. Upon entering, you'll find the lounge on the ground floor, elegantly furnished with decor and artwork. To the right, there's an adjoining room with sophisticated atmosphere and breathtaking views of the Tyrrhenian Sea. On the other side of the lounge area, the suites are located there, offering various categories to suit different preferences. I stayed in room 107, a junior suite, featuring a cozy living room with French sofa bed in this same space. I started my morning with an amazing breakfast. The meal was perfectly balanced and beautifully presented, and complemented by a stunning view. After filling up, I visited the wellness area in the basement, which featured 3 indoor pools filled with the resort's own thermal spring water. This water is known for its health benefits and is used with mud treatments to cure rheumatic, respiratory, and skin diseases. The area itself was spacious and luxurious, offering a truly relaxing experience. From the tower, the hotel cascades down to the sea. You'll find several terraces, pool areas, a second restaurant. The pools are naturally heated, and as expected, the views from every corner are breathtaking. There's also a well-equipped gym for guests to enjoy. Here are some more visuals of the hotel for you. After the hotel tour with my private driver, I made my way around the island, exploring the charming local streets and visiting the historical churches, like Church of the Confraternity. And the Church of Santa Maria del Soccorso in Forio. I also spent time in the shopping areas that are near the Castillo Aragonese di Ischia, built in 474 BC. Castillo Aragonese di Ischia was fortified in 1441 by Alfonso V of Aragon. Once a defense against pirates, it later housed nobles and monks. Now restored, It stands as one of the top tourist spots, offering breathtaking views. As night fell, I enjoyed dinner at a local restaurant while reminiscing about the incredible memories that I'd gathered throughout this adventure. It was truly a spectacular stay at its finest in the luxurious 5-star Hotel Mezzatorre. This marks the end of our journey in Ischia, but we will be exploring another spectacular destination soon. So until then, don't forget to stay tuned, stay safe, and stay traveled.